Can you put my straw back in it, please?
I want to hold it. I can't.
Alright, give me the straw then. You're gonna drip all over. How come you want to close it? What are you drinking? What's it called? What is it called? What does it taste like?
Ice cream.
It does taste like ice cream, huh? Is it cold?
It's not chocolate. I can't close it with
Yeah, I think if you push on it, then you're gonna drop it. Are you gonna drink the rest of it?
Yeah.
You want the straw back? Or are you gonna drink it like that? Did you sleep good last night?
I'm going to do it like this.
Be careful.
I can't with...
Because it's cold, it's slushy. Did you get some?